Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the female Inkling from Splatoon. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're going to start out with the eye area first, and this is probably going to be the trickiest part. So we're going to start out in the middle. We're going to draw in one curve like this, and then we're going to go out. Just kind of curve it up. Okay, so it's almost like a mean brow. And then we're going to curve this down. Just draw like a little bracket. Just kind of come down. And then we're going to go back to the middle here. So now we're going to draw a curve going this way. And then we'll extend this and just kind of curve it out. Just try to close it with a nice smooth curve. Okay, so that's going to be the mask area. So now for the details inside, we're going to start up here and just draw one curve just on the inside here. Okay, so this one's a little bit tricky. We're going to come down and just kind of curve it all the way to the edge. Okay, so this area is going to be black, and actually I can shade it in right now. Okay, let me shade it in so we can see this better. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Alright, so now for the eyeballs on the inside here, so we're just gonna draw right here on the curve. So this is just gonna be one round shape here. And then on the inside, we're gonna draw another circle. Okay, so we're gonna start here, just kind of curve it around. And then one circle kind of touching the top area of the mask. And let's see, we can add in, I'll just shade it in right now. Since I shaded in part of the mask already. Okay, yeah, it looks a lot better, right? Okay. Alright, so now for the rest of the face, her nose, we just draw one little curve like that, so really easy. And then for her mouth, we're just gonna come down the side here, just kind of come down, and just kind of go back up. So it's a slight angle. Okay, and then for the eyebrow, it's gonna be really easy. So just draw one line, another line slanting up, and then we're just gonna round this off a little bit, and then just pinch it into the corner there. So round it off a little bit and just connect to that. Okay, and then to finish off the face here, we're gonna draw in all the way, and this is gonna be a tricky curve, so you can actually come down here and draw like a little line here first for the chin, and then we're just gonna continue this going up. So we're gonna start up here, come down, and just try to meet up to this curve. Very tricky. Okay, so from here, now let's finish up the side of the face with the hair. So for hair right here, we're gonna draw one line. And I'm not gonna draw the full hair right now. I'm just gonna have to draw in some other stuff first. So we're gonna draw two lines like this, real close to the mask. And then for the bangs right here, I'm gonna draw one line, leave a little bit of space, and draw another line like that. Okay, and then once you have this, we can just kind of connect that. Okay, little angle, and then wherever space you have right here, just kind of come up. Now let's finish up the top of the head. So this one's a little bit easier. We're just gonna follow that curve on both sides. And then this one's just gonna curve all the way up. Okay, and once you have this, we can finish up her ear. So just gonna be around the side of the eye here, just come out, come back in with a nice curve. Let's go out, curve back in. Okay, so before we finish the details there, we gotta draw in the body first. So we're gonna come down and draw her neck. So just two lines, and then just close it off, give it a little bit of curvature. Okay, and then we're gonna extend it out. Small shoulders, very cartoony. So just come down. Okay, so a little bit wider on the bottom. Close it off. And then for her sleeve here, let's just draw this real quick. So slant down and just kind of come back into the body. Slant down into the body. And then she's got some straps here for this backpack. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines like that going out. And let's see, let's draw in, all right, let's draw in her shorts. So come down in the middle, just make a little line like that. And then we're gonna extend this line here, come down. And then this one's gonna kind of taper in a little bit. Close that off. And same thing on this side, so we're gonna extend it. Come out slightly and just close it off. All right, and let's see, let's draw in her arms. So her arms are really easy. So it's just gonna be 2 lines, just come out. It's gonna be her elbow. And then we're gonna, for the lower arm, we're gonna come down right around here. And then this one, her thumb is just gonna be, just keep it simple, because it's really small. And then here's the back of the hand, we're just gonna keep going. Just give it a nice curve and just come back in. All right, so it's like a little hook. And then on the other arm, she's gonna be holding a blaster, but the upper arm is gonna be pretty much the same. So 2 lines, lower arm coming down, about that distance right there. And now she's gonna be holding the blaster, so it's a little bit more complicated. We're gonna extend that and just hook it. So that's gonna be her thumb. Just curve it a little bit for the palm. And then right underneath here, there's not a lot of space, so I'm just gonna draw 2 fingers like that. Okay, so it's really small. And then here's her trigger finger. Just draw a little circle out there. Extend this and just kind of close this off. So this is gonna be part of the gun. And then for the blaster, well, this is really small. All right, so I'm just gonna draw like a little slanted rectangle there. Hope you guys can see this. Might have drawn a little bit too small for this. Okay, and then for the blaster, we're just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna draw in, let's just draw in a rectangle like this. 1 little section. Another rectangle. And then let's see, the tip here is kind of widen out a little bit. Okay, and then on the top here, just draw 2 brackets like this for the tank. And then we're just gonna close that off. Draw 2 lines in the middle. And then from here, we're just gonna connect to the little tube here, right? So 1 hook, and then just give that line some thickness. All right, so yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Can't add too much detail to this small drawing. Okay, so now we can finish up her legs. So her legs are gonna be easy as well. So we're gonna come down, just kind of hook it in slightly for her knee. And then we're gonna continue this down, then let's close that off. So now let's draw the other side, same thing. So we're gonna come down, just kind of give it a little bit of hook. And then we're gonna come straight down, close that off. And then she's got really big shoes. So we're gonna draw 1 dome shape coming out. This is gonna be the flap. Okay, close that off, and then we're gonna draw another one. So this is actually gonna be the bottom of the shoe. So come down, and then on this side, come out a little bit more. Close it off. And then here's the sole. It's gonna have some detail, so we're gonna draw 1 curve like that, and then 1 line across. And then the top section here, we're gonna add 1 line across as well. And it looks like there's a little bit of decal here, so I'll just draw in a little rectangle. Okay, so a little bit complicated for the shoe. So on the other side, it's gonna be the same. So we're gonna curve down, close that off. So we're gonna come down on this side, and then on this side, we're gonna come out more. Close it off. So use the other side for reference, right? Because since it's gonna be symmetrical. So same thing here, curve, and then one line across, one more line up here, and then a decal right here. Okay, so now we can finish up the her hair. So for this line here, we're just gonna continue up and continue down. Just kind of curve it out. This one's gonna come out more, and just curve it, close it off. And then on the inside here, we can see the back a little bit. So draw a little line like that. It'll really make the drawing look a lot better. Okay, and then for this side, it's gonna be the same. So, but this one's gonna be behind the gun. So we're gonna draw that, and then just kind of leave that, and let's draw the outside first. Okay, so just curve it, and then we're just gonna hook it around, and just draw it behind the tank. And then same thing here, we're gonna add in one little line for the back. All right, and then let's see, finally we can add in, well, some details on a shirt here. We'll add in one little square, and then there's some text here. So I'm just gonna draw this. I'll make it simple. I'm not sure what it reads. If you guys play this game, you probably know better what this reads, but I'll just make it a little bit bigger as well. And that is it for this female Inkling from Splatoon. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.